Well, hello, my friends. I wanted to start this video off by saying if you're watching this video on the Ron Pare channel down below there, if it says Ron Pare, you're on my generic channel, my channel that I started way back maybe in 2007 or 2008. That has my videos from my family and video games with my kids and model railroading stuff. If you want to get just model railroading stuff, go to Just Another Scale Modeler on YouTube. Thank you. So, to the contest. I went down to Ken Patterson's this weekend with my friend Dave Onstein, Sparky 107, and last week I said I was going to try and get a signature by Ken Patterson. Now I'm not going to show it for too long, but I don't want to do that kind of thing. Maybe put a signature out in public. But we got the signature. The kit is done. If you want to be a part of the contest, maybe get this kit for free, sent by me with Ken's signature on it. It was built by me, not by Ken. It was photographed by Ken, and you could probably get a picture of the model too. So if you want to be a part of this contest, just follow the link below, modelersguild.com/giveaway, all one word, and enter the contest. As part of that little thing, it says subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's really important for you to subscribe. The 70% of the viewers of my videos are unsubscribed, and that really hurts my channel in terms of having the videos spread farther. So if you are if you're not a hater, subscribe. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Press the bell if you want. I'm not asking. I hate doing that stuff. I don't do it in a lot of videos, but I'm doing it in this video. Please subscribe to the channel. I think I'm here to help the hobby. Talk to you later, my friends.